figured I'd make a airbag removal video in terms of a quick summary of what's involved. You can use a flat screwdriver or a little straight one like this. You do not need one that is angled like this, in terms not this angle, but this one up front. But it does help, okay? Simply because let me just show you. You have to insert the screwdriver at the back, right up here. So you basically insert the screwdriver in the hole here, and then you can see the screwdriver wiggling in here, but you have to get tilted in such a way that you can get at the little wire, and because this screwdriver is already bottomed out, it's not really working, so you do have to put a little bend in it. So again, I'll go in through the back, and then you can see me getting in under the clip. Here's under the clip. You want to get above it, and then what you can do is you can pull the screwdriver. Now that I'm hooked in, I can pull up on the screwdriver. Sorry, it's a really bad camera angle. So I can pull up on the screwdriver, and what that does, it pushes the retaining clip. That clip in there, it pushes it down. And once it is down, see, even with the correct tool, it's a bit tricky finding that metal pin. All it is a stiff piece of wire. So anyways, once you pull it down like this, pull the screwdriver towards the steering wheel, you can then pull the airbag off. And you do that for each corner. There's one on the left side, one on the right side. And so you can see here, this is that little triangle pyramid shaped thing. So that clip right there, basically all it does is sits underneath this lip. And when you use a screwdriver to manipulate that clip, all you're doing is you're moving it out of the way. Actually, it's probably in that direction, and that allows this to pop out. And then all you do is you turn the steering wheel 180 degrees, and you do the other side. So one side will pop out first, then you turn the steering wheel, pop out the other side. Then you can fold the airbag forward and disconnect the connector. This one just pushes into place, or pushes away, unplugs, and it plugs back in. There's no tabs that you have to push. There's no tabs here that you have to push. So sorry about all the camera work here, but or the unsteady camera. But this was for better quality than my video glasses. And like I said, I just figured I'd take this opportunity because I've never gone into detail about airbag release on these models. Different airbags require different releases. Some of them are not from the back. Some of them have bolts that bolt into here, the earlier ones specifically. So you just loosen the bolt stays in the steering wheel, but once the bolt is loose, the airbag can come out. Okay, damn, that's too much info. Too much rambling. Thanks for watching.
Sorted.